Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to highlight duplicate values in Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to spot repeated data at a glance so you can clean up your spreadsheets and avoid those pesky data errors. Whether you're sorting survey responses, managing inventory lists, or just want to keep things tidy, this tip is going to save you a ton of time and frustration. Let's dive right in. The first step is to select the data range where you want to highlight duplicates. Take a moment to click and drag over your columns or rows. Maybe it's an entire list of names, product IDs, or any information that might have repeats. Now, here's a pro tip: be as specific as you need. If you only want to check one column, just highlight that. But if you're looking at a whole table, go ahead and grab the full range. Remember, what you select now will determine where Sheet looks for those duplicates. Once you've got your range highlighted, head up to the top menu bar and find the Format tab. Give that a click. You'll see an option for conditional formatting. This is where the magic happens. Click Conditional Formatting and a panel will pop up on the right side of your screen. If you haven't used this before, don't worry. Conditional formatting basically means that Google Sheets will automatically apply colors or styles to your data when it meets a rule you set. Super handy for making patterns stand out without you needing to hunt for them one by one. Now in that panel, look for the section called Format Rules. Click the dropdown and from all the options you want to choose Custom Formula is. This lets us tell Sheets exactly what counts as a duplicate, rather than relying on the built-in rules, which can sometimes be a bit too limited for what we need. Text box that appears, you'll need to enter your custom formula. For my example, let's say our data is in columns A and B from rows 2 to 8. The formula I'll use is equals count if $, $2, $B, $8, A, 2, 1. Let's pause here for a second and break that down. This formula is basically saying count how many times the value in the current cell appears anywhere in the range A2 to B8. If that number is greater than 1, mark it as a duplicate. The COUNTIF function is like having a detective scanning through your range, finding matches. And the dollar signs keep the range fixed, so the rule applies to every cell you selected. Go ahead and type or paste that formula into the box. If your data is somewhere else, just adjust the range to match where your information is. Don't worry if this part looks intimidating at first. Once you get the hang of it, you'll see it's pretty logical. Next, it's time to choose a highlight color. This is the fun part. Pick a color that'll really pop, maybe a bright yellow or a bold red, so those duplicates stand out easily in your sheet. After you've picked your color, simply click Done. That's it. Instantly, Google Sheets will scan your selected range and highlight every duplicate value based on the formula you just set up. Now you can instantly spot and handle repeat data. No more scrolling through your list or second-guessing entries. Remember, if your data updates or grows, the formatting will keep working for any new duplicates in that range. Thanks for watching. If this tip helps streamline your workflow, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or need more help with custom formulas, just drop a comment below. Subscribe for more smart Google Sheets tips, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.